Winning Miss Universe has been a dream come true, and this has nothing been but magical. So let's go down and relive these moments, meeting new people. How has it been like? Ano yung mga unshared stories ko? I want to share that with you guys.
Hi, I'm Chelsea Manalo, and I am Miss Universe Philippines 2024.
Unang-una press presentation, day 1 as a candidate as Miss Bulacan. And when I went to the backstage, there were a lot of girls already. Parang namukhaan ko agad doon, unang-una si Ate Christy, Alexi Brooks, Matea, I also saw her. And to find out na itong tatlong tumatak sa isip ko nung press presentation, we're actually now my friends. Totoo yung sinasabi nilang may mabubuong sisterhood in pageantry. So your co-candidates will be your own sisters. Like Alexi, Matea, Alexi, or Alex from Laguna, Christy, and Ate Stacy. They're all my sisters. May mga moments na nanghihiraman pa kami ng mga suklay, makeup. I know, nakakahiram ako ng makeup sa kanila kasi may mga makeup ako na wala naman talaga ako. So sila, nagpapahiram sila. Sometimes nagkakatinginan lang kami and then parang, oy, coffee time. Parang alam na namin kailangan na namin ng coffee. We had a runway challenge na dapat naka-metallic dress kami. Tapos, merong isang segment na dapat flowy yung dress. And I didn't have both of that dress. And then nagulat ako kasi si Ate VVV, Miss Universe Philippines Bacoor, she gave me her extra dress na metallic dress. So ito yung ginamit ko dun sa runway challenge. So sobrang happy ko kasi parang, actually, syempre, it's a competition at the end of the day, di ba? And ikaw may hiya ka manghiram ng clothes from other candidates. But she was so nice enough to give me her extra dress para lang makapag-runway ako. And then for the flowy dress naman, it was Matea who gave me her extra dress at the same time. Even her mom was so nice to the point na sabi niya, eto yung suot mo. And then she was spitting it to me. Siya pa yung nag-zip ng dress, nung flowy dress na yun, I remember. So it's a very unforgettable moment kasi talagang nagkaroon ako ng feeling na hindi to competition talaga na hindi, dapat ako lang. I felt like I belonged. I felt like I had a family na hindi ako iniwan. Naalala ko na iiyak kasi ako nung binigay talaga nila sa akin yung damit. The winning moment, nung sinuot na sa akin yung crown, after ko na lang to nakita kasi I saw the crown na pinatong and then it was balancing pa. It's a very funny moment lang. Finally, I made it to the meme world. The next day, nakita ko na yung crown. It was balancing on my forehead. But it was a really beautiful moment for me na hindi ko makalimutan. Kasi lahat ng hirap, lahat ng pinagdaanan ko had sense why I had to go through all of that. Si Miss Pia Wurtzbach, naalala ko kasi meron kaming parang isang event or a project together. Nagkaroon kami ng moment na nag-uusap lang kami. And I was telling her my experience and then she said her experience too. So parang nagkaroon kami ng mini conversation about how we got through it. And that is enough na na-inspire niya ako. And I think I have also inspired her. Kaya hindi ko makalimutan yon. And another fact is, she's my idol. She's like my queen star na I look up to. Kay Miss Shamsi naman, kasi nagkaroon kami ng chance din mag-usap ni Miss Shamsi. And then I asked her, Miss Shamsi, paano nung lumipad ka na dun sa competition mo? Like, ano yung mga dala-dala mo sa luggages mo? Ano yung ginawa mo when you arrived? Alam mo, ang sabi niya agad, huminga lang siya and sinabi niya, kakain na ako. So sabi niya, you eat also. You eat what you want. Don't restrict yourself too much. And I think I will do that. Isa yun sa mga gagawin ko agad kasi Mexico is a place na pangarap ko talagang mapuntahan. So I'm excited to taste the different dishes, cuisine in Mexico. Kaya Miss Shamsi, salamat sa tip na yon. Babalitaan kita kung gaano kasarap yung mga quesadilla nila doon. Dahil now you're Miss Universe Philippines, sometimes I still keep forgetting, they see me as a celebrity. Pero ako, hindi ko pa din mawala yung panay ko sa mga ibang celebrities na nami-meet ko na. For example, si Ding Dong Dantes, grabe, 2 beses ko na siyang nakikita because I was in one of his game show. Sana talaga sa susunod na magkita kami ay manalo na ako dun sa game show na yon. And si Tito Boy Abunda was also one of these TV personalities and hosts that I look up to. And having that chance to converse with him was a dream come true. Nung bata kasi ako, sabi ko, pag na-interview ako ni Tito Boy, gusto ko, beauty queen ako. Kasi siguro, nagkaroon din ako ng insight already na may mga beauty queen na siyang na-interview. Pangarap ko naman maging beauty queen nung bata ko. So when I met him and was interviewed by him, it's another unforgettable moment for me. Iba nga lang kapag kausap ka niya, kailangan mabilis. Talagang, let's do fast talk. So, may kaba na pagkausap mo siya, but there is so much wisdom that you will learn from him. Marami kang matututunan sa kanya. And he's not really that intimidating naman pala in person. But one thing I liked about Tito Boy that we both have in common, mahilig kaming uminom ng tubig. Nag-water chug relay pa kami, and I won. Sorry, Tito Boy. Akin yung corona.
Panalo si Chelsea.
After winning Miss Universe, nagkaroon na ako ng chance na maging cover sa mga magazine. And hindi ko makakalimutan is to finally be in different magazines pa. Hindi lang isa, pero madaming magazine cover na I worked with and different photographers na I look up to. So, meron akong Vogue, may Mega, meron din ako sa Preview, Wedding Essentials, Rsync. Meron akong mga moments na, we made it, Mom! Ganon. Bumibili pa ako ng hard copy nun. We do it for a cover and at the same time may interview. So they're going behind the stories, influencing. I think in simple ways like this, if it's your passion, it's important na you're also reflecting it to other people. So even if I have myself in a magazine cover, what am I really doing in these covers? So I think it's enough that I am also sharing my story so that I can influence other people, that you can be that person too. You don't have to be like me, but you can just be you.